Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer, and from today I'm gonna start a series on software engineering basics, which is also called Software Engineering 1 course with the course code CS504. And the curriculum or the syllabus I am following for this course is from the virtual university, which is quite similar to all the other ones I have reviewed. And let's start the lecture 1 of this course. So a proper software contain program, which is the code or the coding part of your software, the data being used in that software, and the documentation part of that software. So as you can see from this very first line, this course is emphasizing on this concept like that software is not just a piece of code. It has proper documentation and proper data, and then the code also an essential part, but not the only part of the software, right? So that's what's the motive of this line. And let's see what is the meaning of engineering. So engineering is a method or a process of using scientific knowledge in a productive use case. So you want to produce a product, and then you use some scientific knowledge. Maybe it is from physics, maybe it is from chemistry, or some other scientific knowledge. You are using that in producing a product, right? Or in developing a product. So that method or that process is the engineering. So we can relate this broad engineering concept to the software engineering by a process of using computer science knowledge in the production of softwares. So here the product will be software, and the scientific knowledge we are talking about will be computer science knowledge. So that's what the software engineering means. And a good software will be economically feasible. So why I have written this line as a separate entity there, because it has been observed that developing softwares can be very costly when it is not being following the exact guidelines of the computer science concepts. So it can be really a lot of mess if you are not using the engineering concepts uh, in your development process. So it will be like economically not feasible for you to develop the software projects. So good software, which we will see how to build a good software obviously in this course, will always be economically feasible. I mean, whatever budget you have allocated to that project, it will be uh, 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 limit itself according to that budget, right? So uh, I will meet you in the lecture 2 of this course, and till then, take care.